Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So before we get into today's vlog, I would like to give a special shout out to Nadula Hair. They sent this hair over to me. So this is a Brazilian body wave wig. It's a 13x4, 26 inches, and it is 180% density. Y'all, when I tell y'all I am in love with this hair. So y'all know the drill. I dyed it last night using my texture and tone, and I let it sit overnight, and then I put this baby under the dryer, and then I put some curls in it. I wish I could have did wand curls, but I don't have a wand curler, so I just used like a regular curling iron, and I love the way it turned out. Now I did my hair like this morning, and the curls are still holding up. It's really soft, it doesn't shed, it's bomb, y'all. So I have all the information along with the discount code in the description box if you guys are interested. They sent me over like some little cute headbands. Look at this, and I will be wearing it. Cute little headbands. Of course it comes with the wig bag, so I'll be keeping my unit in this bag, but I just love it, y'all. It's just so pretty. Look at that sheen, so nice. So woo, it's so cute. Y'all tell me it's not cute. Super cute. They also sent me over this really pretty headband. Cute. Look at that. So pretty. Look at this. That's so cute. I love this. So once again, I'll have the links to this hair along with the discount code down in the description box below. So I've been like so busy all morning. I am rearranging my closet in my bedroom, and I'm just trying to go through some stuff, get rid of some stuff, pull out some stuff that I haven't worn in a while. I want to go shopping for some new like shoes for spring and summer. I came across these really cute shoes that I had. What is this in my hair? I don't know what this is, but it's something in my hair right here. That is so annoying. But anyway, so while I was doing that, I came across these really cute shoes. They're really old. Like, these shoes are probably like 8 years old. They're really old. I got them from Charlotte Russe, and they're so cute. I'm going to show you guys that, and then I'm going to show you guys the shoes that I got from Public Desire. They're like a Tom Ford dupe. If you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you've seen them already, but those of you that don't, I'm going to show you today. So hold on. Okay, so the shoes are from Public Desire, and I got mine in a size 9. It's a UK 7, and here they are. These shoes are so sexy. Like, look at this. Ooh, so cute. They even have like the little lock and chain right here. It's just like the Tom Fords. So sexy. I just love them. They have different colors. They have like the black, they have like a brown, and this is the linen pair. But these are so cute. So I have the link to these in the description box below if you guys are interested. Of course, they're not the most comfortable shoes that you can have, but these are definitely like a nice pair of shoes to wear, you know, to dinner where you're not going to be doing too much standing. But oh my gosh, super sexy. So sexy. While I was trying to get rid of some things, I came across these really cute shoes that I have. I haven't worn these shoes in forever, but let me show y'all. They're so cute. Look. Ooh! They're so cute. I got these shoes from Charlotte Russe because it says it right there. And I remember I had these in the cream color too. So cute. And then it has like the little fringes on the bottom of this little tie up. I got hair all over here. so cute. Let me show y'all what they look like on. So cute. I'm just gonna put on one. And you can string them up like however you want to. I don't like mine to be strung up all the way up my leg. I just like to keep mine around the ankle. And then I also like for the little fringe to hang down in the front. My leg's probably ashy, child. I ain't put on the lotion. Look at this. How stinking cute. Oh, they probably only had like black, red, and the cream, because I'm sure if they had like orange and all that, I would have bought it, but they're so old. But these are so cute. Look at this. I'm ashy, y'all, so don't come for me. These are so cute. I think the cream ones were the ones I was wearing the most, and I think I might have threw them out or something, because I don't know where those are, but super cute. And let me try on the other ones for y'all. Here is the other pair. I am so ashy. But are these not like the sexiest shoes? Like what? So sexy. And like I said, this is a perfect dinner shoe, you know, where you're not going to be doing too much standing. These are super sexy. Like, I'm thinking about getting like the dark brown ones. They just look so sexy. I love them. Yeah, super cute. I'm really in the mood to have some crabs, but I don't feel like cooking them. So that's my little dilemma right now. I'm trying to decide on what I want to eat, because I haven't had anything to eat yet. I went to the gym this morning. I sat in the sauna for a little bit, and then I started on this closet. So I've been kind of like ripping and running, and then I had to install this unit to get this out for you guys that I am in love with. So yeah, I'm wearing this brown dress that I got from H&M. You guys have seen this dress before, because I think I just wore it like 2 weeks ago, but it's so comfortable. So I'm thinking about going to the mall to see if I can find some shoes, because like I said, I just want like some different like mules, different color mules that I can wear for the spring and summer. So maybe like some yellows, some orange, maybe some greens. So I've been online. I went online last night and I really didn't see anything that I really liked. I did see these really pretty like a neon green pair of Steve Madden heels yesterday when I was online. So I might go to Steve Madden. We'll see. So let's go. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. You guys have seen this dress before, and I've told you guys about this dress already. It gets really wrinkled because it's like linen. So girl, don't worry about it. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. This is the look of the day. Very chill, relaxed. Y'all know the vibes. So I'll see you guys at the mall. Alright y'all, so I'm back from the mall. I didn't stop at Steve Madden because y'all, it's so hot outside. It's like so hot. I went to Forever 21 first because that's where I like to park, so I have to do my little walkthrough. And those black shoes that I showed y'all, those shoes was so cute. If they had those shoes in my size, they would have been mine. I really like the white ones too, but I like the ones that had the thinner heel, and unfortunately they didn't have my size, so I couldn't get them. And then the they had like a little, I guess you would call that like a mint green. I really wasn't feeling that color. I know it's springtime and it would have been perfect for the spring, but I just wasn't feeling that mint green like that. That's not like my favorite color. So yeah, I didn't have any luck. So I guess I'll be back online tonight. I am sweating, y'all. I'm so hot. And like I said, it's just so hot. I was so ready to get home, and I had to finish this video for y'all. So, but I did pick up some things from Forever 21, so I'll share that with you guys. The first one is this beauty right here, and this is a lime green. And I want to say this is like a Bottega dupe, but I think like the handle is a little thicker if I'm not mistaken. But this thing is so cute. I love this color. Is this a green or a yellow? Oh, this is a lime green. Ooh, this is super cute. So this is, how much was this? This was $24.99. This is so cute. Oh, I love it. And I had to get the brown one. Super cute. I don't even see the tag on this one, so I could tell y'all the exact color. But we'll just say that this is a chocolate brown. Super cute. Oh, there's a tag. Oh, it's just saying tan, but this is like a chocolate brown, but this is so cute. One thing about Forever 21, girl. And then I bought one of these little head wraps, like when I'm doing my makeup or when I'm washing my face. So I bought this hot pink one. I have a few of these already, but this hot pink one was so cute. Y'all know I've been in love with this pink. So when I saw this, I just went ahead and snatched it up. Super cute to hold your hair back. And this was $4.99. And then I saw these really cute little bodysuits. It reminded me of Skims, like the way that they feel, really, really stretchy. So I bought this olive green one, this nude color, and I got the pink. Really cute. And then I bought these little what would you call these shorts right here. They're like the jogger shorts. So I bought the taupe color, and then this one is saying taupe too, but it's like a light green. It's almost like that mint green that I just was telling y'all that I'm not a big fan of, but I thought that these shorts was really cute because I'm gonna show y'all. I was gonna pair it with this, and it would look really cute together. Let's see. Yeah, so this is like a light green and then the dark green top. So I'm gonna try on one of the outfits. That's all I picked up. Yeah, that's all I picked up. I'm gonna try on these with this one just to show you guys how I would style it. And then this purse is so cute. I just love this green. Y'all, this is so cute. I am so happy I got this. It's so cute. It's my favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna try this little outfit on really quick, and I'm gonna show you guys how I would style it. But this does remind me a lot of the Skims, like the way that it fits and it's, or the way that it feels, and it's really stretchy. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on really quick. Oh y'all, and I've been out all day, and look at my hair. Girl, I've been in the wind and everything, and she is still holding up. I'm telling y'all. Okay, y'all better go to that description box. That's all I know. Okay, y'all, so I have no idea if I'm in focus or not. My face is gonna be cut off. But this is the idea that I had. Just something cute, cash, really simple and chic. And then it's perfect because I can wear my brown bag. So yeah, I love this. Oh, that's some of my Target stuff back that I need to take back. But yeah, hopefully you guys can see the whole look. Hopefully y'all can get into my whole look. So yeah, throw on a cute pair of shades and be out the door. See, I love this. Really cute. And I know the true color is not coming up, but like I said, this is like a cream colored top, and then these are like taupe. So yeah, with my little leopard heels. So cute, right? You can wear this to brunch, lunch, mall, wherever. So yeah, thought this was really cute. Y'all, I'm so hot. I still haven't cooled down yet. I don't know, is my AC on? And you can, let me cinch my waist a little bit more. But yeah, I think this is super cute. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Sharika B, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye y'all.
Take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.